Good morning, y'all. Dominoes 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to this Facebook Live video, eventually on YouTube. So, I'm out here touring the neighborhood to show y'all the damages. Look at all this debris right here. Up and stuff like that. While the wind was blowing, you know. And a garbage can done blew over way over here. Somebody's screen fell off. And a few more debris around here. Okay, so we gonna walk around and show y'all what happened and stuff like that. So all this debris all over and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do? And you know what? I filmed something with my old camera that all right. And here's a roof tile and another roof tile. Debris right here. Another roof tile. And one more time. Who this dog for? I ain't gonna touch it so it don't belong to me. Must have came from one of these balconies or something. You know? Alright, I'm about to go do some looking around. Maybe I should go down over here to see what else type of damages they had. Oh, and right here. I don't know if I showed y'all this already. And stuff like that. And down the street, somebody moved some debris. And look over there. A trash can way in the middle of the street. Everybody knows nobody else didn't do it but Zeta. So anyway, let's keep walking down, and I'm gonna show y'all what else is up. This for some of y'all that live out of town and don't live in the city, in the not so affected areas, you know. So the police just passed. Okay. All right. So here's what else done happened. A screen here. All right. And then a branch right here. Oh, look at all this stuff. So much damage. And a garbage can over here. Right here. I'm glad nobody. Oh, look at the garbage can right here. With that bucket and another garbage can across the street. Huh. Golly, they I mean, this went to. This storm was a monster, you know. This storm was a serious. Hey, how y'all doing? Look at all this damage they did. The wind. Yes, indeed. Look over here, y'all. Oh, and the police down now. I don't know if they want in the screen right here. Huh. I'm gonna just walk down. I'm gonna just walk down the whatchamacallit street and everything else, you know. So some damages that the wind did. All right, so as I walk around, oh, do y'all see that branch right there? Look right there. Y'all see that? Oh. All right. Well, just in case the police ask me what I'm doing, all I'm doing is touring the neighborhood. All right. Look at all this and everything else. So much debris around here, you know. What else is around here? Right here on Magic. Okay, I don't know where that come from. Must have been out. Wow, the sun is blinding y'all, huh? All right, I'm gonna take the camera off the sun. You know, all I'm doing is showing y'all all the debris and everything. So here we go. Oh, and a branch way over here. So here I am going on this street, you know. So it looks cleared around here. But I guess wherever they had the heavy trees and everything, I'm gonna just film over there, you know. So what we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Did they have stuff over here, over there? Huh? What the hell is this? Somebody must was doing donuts around here. Huh? Yep. Stupid stuff. All right. So let's look over here. Oh, a garbage can blew over here. So so as I was saying, y'all, you never know what kind of damage a storm can bring, you know. All right. So how y'all doing? All right. I'm just speaking just in case so somebody won't want to know what I'm doing. I'm not gonna say it's none of their business, you know, because this is their business. Because I'm a celebrity trying to. Where that water bottle came from must have came off one of the porches, or stoops, whatever you want to call it. Okay. All right. All right. So as I tour this book, look at this pole right here, cracked. Well, yeah, that thing would have been apart. Somebody's football. I don't know what football that is. I'm not gonna touch it. And this sign right here. So on that note, need to see what's the deal when somebody's screen fell off. Yep. On another screen. Huh. So as I tour, where else should I go? You know. So my friend moved her car back with and stuff like that. So good morning. Good morning. All I'm doing is touring the neighborhood. Huh? I don't think so. Well, it is? Wow. All I'm doing is touring the neighborhood doing my show. It's going on YouTube. Hopefully it'll go on YouTube. You know. So as police is around. You know. So as we show the damages and stuff. So let's go down here and show y'all before they pick everything up. You know. Just in time for Halloween and Thanksgiving or whatever. I'm not certain if Mother Nature trying to tell people to vote Trump out or what. I don't know. You know, you can never tell with Mother Nature. Those branches was in the middle of the street over there, but somebody moved it this morning. I saw. All right. So as I give y'all a tour, you know, my next step I'm gonna do a recording. You know. Whoa. Oh no, that ain't nothing. All right. Yeah, and all this debris, so much debris, you know. Yep, leaves here. Hey, look at this guy right here. It's pretty. Oh well, we ain't worrying about him or her or whatever that is. Yep. So all these leaves and everything. Huh. Wow, look at all this. Done some damage and stuff. But look down here. Yeah. All right. So do a recording and stuff. So that's all I'm doing. All these leaves here, branches done broke off and stuff. Wow, look at all this major damage. Is it major or minor damage? The sun is shining. All right. Oh, and there's a bag on that branch. Huh. Oh. All right, over here, over there, there. Whoa. When I was a child, I don't remember any hurricane damages. Must have happened before I was even born, you know. Ugh. Well, this ain't much nothing compared to 1998. You know, a branch broke right here too. Tour in the neighborhood after Zeta. You know, Zeta. Ooh. All right. That's a crow up there. Shut up, crow. Huh. All right. So, where this thing came from? Who knows? All right. This building been closed for a while. You know. So we gonna have to pray for the people that lost everything during Hurricane Zeta. You know. All I can say is thank God it didn't flood as I thought it would be. You know. Like I thought it would be. You know. Okay. All right. So I better stop this recording. So my touring's here. Like I would say tour, but I'm gonna put it like this. My touring's here. Okay. Thank y'all for watching. All right. Bye.